Hello students, good morning everyone. Students, today we are going to learn a lesson of value education. See lesson number 7, page number 27. Okay, so our lesson name is The Rani of Jhansi. And the value that we will learn in this lesson is gender equality. So what is gender equality? Gender equality means to treat both male and female equally. Both male and females are equal. They can do anything, correct? Both are clever, both can work equally. So today we are going to learn the value of gender equality. So first we will read the lesson. See, you can see a picture of Rani Lakshmi Bai here. Okay, now see. Put your fingers on the line and read it carefully. Rani Lakshmi Bai was born on 19th November 1835. Her mother died when she was very young. Her father taught her various skills like sword fighting, horse riding and shooting. She was married at a young age to the king of Jhansi. She had a son, but the child died soon after birth. At that time, the British were ruling over parts of India. It was their custom to take over a kingdom if there was no male heir to look after it. They did not want a woman ruler. Since Lakshmi Bai's only son had died, the British wanted to take over Jhansi after the king's death. But Lakshmi Bai did not want this to happen. She knew that her people would suffer if the British ruled over them. She wanted to protect her people. She refused to accept that just because she was a woman. She could not rule over her kingdom and had to remain quietly in the palace. She began to practice swordcraft, shooting and horse riding. She studied the geography of her kingdom well. She wore a helmet and carried pistols. This was at a time when a woman rarely stepped out of the house and many women followed the Parda system. The Rani fought bravely against the British to protect her kingdom. She encouraged other women to do the same and form an army of women soldiers. She died in 1858, fighting bravely against the British. She brought glory to the women of the world. Even today, when we think of brave and fearless women, we always think of Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi. So students, this is the information about Rani Lakshmi Bai, and in this lesson we learn how she fought bravely against the British. So student, did you understand? So now we will see one short video, and in that video we will see how Rani Lakshmi Bai fought against British. So student, let's see this video.
Rani Lakshmi Bai, the Queen of Jhansi, was one of the pivotal figures of India's independence movement. Born on 19th November 1828 at Pune, her name is synonymous with bravery, honour and patriotism. Lakshmi Bai, also known as Manikarnika, had a significant contribution in the revolt of 1857. In 1842, Rani Lakshmi Bai tied the knot with Raja Gangadhar Rao, the Maharaja of Jhansi at the time. After her marriage, she came to be known as Lakshmi Bai. In 1851, she gave birth to a son who unfortunately died in his 4th month. After this tragic incident, a boy named Damodar Rao was adopted by both Rani Lakshmi Bai and Raja Gangadhar. In March 1854, Rani of Jhansi was granted an annual pension of Rs 60,000 in order to leave the Jhansi fort. But she was firm on the decision not to give up the dominion of Jhansi to the British. She assembled 14,000 rebels and organized an army for the defense of the city. In March 1858, when Jhansi was attacked by the British, Rani Lakshmi Bai's army decided to fight, and the war continued for 2 long weeks. After a fierce battle with British forces, Jhansi lost the war. The British army entered Jhansi. Rani Lakshmi Bai tied her son Damodar Rao to her back and fought bravely using 2 swords in both her hands. She escaped to the fortress of Kalpi under the cover of darkness. She fled to Gwalior and a fierce battle was fought between the British and the Rani's army. On unfortunate day of 17 June 1858, this great warrior martyred her life for India's freedom.
So, what we have to learn from this lesson? That both male and female are equal. Women also can do all type of works like male. So, this is called gender equality. Now, see, what do you think? Mention the qualities of Lakshmi Bai that you like. So, students, read the lesson again and which quality you like about Lakshmi Bai that you have to mention. So, student, after reading lesson, you can understand many good qualities of Rani Lakshmi Bai. For example, bravery. She was very brave and very courageous. So, bravery and courage, these are 2 good qualities of Rani Lakshmi Bai. Then, her passion, correct? Then, focus on goal. She was decided to fight against British. So, passion and focus on goal these are also 2 good qualities of Rani Lakshmi Bai. Then, patriotism. She was great patriot. Then student, she was very keen to learn various new things, for example sport, then horse riding, etc. Then she was very careful for her child and people. So caring was a good quality of Rani Lakshmi Bai. So student, bravery, courage, passion, focus on goal, patriotism, learning new things, care and love for people, etc. were good qualities of Rani Lakshmi Bai. Okay student? So students, now we will see our next question. Second question, do you think that women can rule over a kingdom as well as men can? So, answer is yes. Woman can also rule over a kingdom. She can fight, she can run the country, means she is in every field and she can do her work properly. Okay, she is the top in every field. So, the women can rule over a kingdom like a man. Third question is, name some famous women from India's history. So students, in general knowledge, we have learned about famous Indian women. So our first women Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi, then Mother Teresa, P.T. Usha, Saina Nehwal, Anjali Bhagwat, Lata Mangeshkar, Asha Bhosle, Kiran Bedi, Savitribai Phule. So these are some famous women from India's history. So students, this lesson is about Rani Lakshmi Bai. So student, today we have learned the value gender equality. Means there is no difference between qualities of men and women. Women can also do all things that men can do. So student, men and women are equal and that is called gender equality. So student, read this lesson carefully and get more information about Rani Lakshmi Bai. So students, did you understand? In next video we will see question answers of this lesson. So students, read the lesson carefully and try to learn new things. Thank you.